Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to refer a candidate in your organization using uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To refer a candidate, go to the side navigation panel and click on the recruitment menu. From the list of submenus, select the current job openings submenu. This will open a new page displaying all the jobs that are currently open in the organization. Click on the job name for which you would like to refer a candidate. This will open the detailed view of the selected job. In the job details page, click on the Refer a Candidate button. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you need to upload the candidate's CV. The fields such as name, email address, and mobile number will be automatically filled with your details. You can also add a cover note if required. Once all the details are entered, click on the Submit Your Application button to complete the referral process. That's it. You now know how to refer a candidate in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.